In video number 6 of my Daily Income Method Product Breakdown series, I'm looking at the Facebook Profile Growth Guide. And what stood out to me the most is this. This is not just a post more on Facebook guide. It actually gives you a content system. It starts with choosing a niche, understanding which types of niches may have higher earning potential, and learning what RPM means when it comes to Facebook content monetization. Then it shows you how to build what they call a viral swipe file. That means you don't just sit there guessing what to post. You find pages in your niche that are already getting comments, shares, views, and engagement. Then you study the pattern, not to copy them word for word, but to model what's already working and recreate in your own voice. Another thing I liked is the AI section. The guide gives you prompts to help ChatGPT learn your voice, create Facebook post ideas, rewrite content, write captions, create first comments, add personal stories, and even turn posts into reels. So for somebody who struggles with content ideas, this part can help you stop staring at a blank screen. The guide also talked about posting consistently, using different formats like text posts, image posts, thread style posts, and videos, then tracking what performs best. What I took from this guide is simple. Facebook growth is not just about posting randomly. It is about finding what already works, putting your own voice on it, posting consistently, watching the data, and repeating the winners. Now, does this guarantee money or results? No, you still have to create content, test, stay consistent, and apply the information. But if you are someone trying to grow on Facebook, build reach, and understand how content monetization works, this guide gives you a clear starting point. This is video number 6 in my Daily Income Method Step-by-Step series. If you want to see the full playlist, check the link in the description.